And this is what 2.5 gallons of wet tar patch looks like applied in the rain. As fast as I'm applying it, the water is rising in level. And when the drains were clogged up, the water level went up all the way to into the condenser up here and turned the roof into a lake. And since the water cap where the old tar was and the lines come out was only about this high, so I opened it up and put the tar in between where they had their lines going down inside and totally encased it. And the best you can do when it's wet in the rain, there's nothing else you do. When the sun hits this in the springtime, since this will be cold all winter and the volatile solvents that are inside of it will still be inside of it, as long as it's wet and it has volatile solvents that haven't hit heat yet, it'll always stay wet and gooey and liquid. When the sun hits this, when springtime comes, it'll melt, it'll reflash, and it'll flow out, and it'll spread out and sink down and bite into the dry surfaces. But that's all you can do when you're actually in pouring rain. And it was never sealed correctly in the first place. So I call it putting hackman, handyman tarring on top of some hackman, handyman tarring. All right, see ya. That's it. That's all we can do for this.